Welcome to this tutorial on the Betterment Mobile App, a comprehensive investment management platform designed to help you achieve your financial goals. To get started, download the Betterment app from the App Store and create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to set a financial goal, such as saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a big purchase. This goal will help the app to determine the best investment strategy for you. You can choose from a variety of goals and even set multiple goals at once. After setting your goal, you will need to link your bank account to the app. This will allow you to fund your investment account and make deposits and withdrawals easily. Betterment uses bank-level security to protect your information and transactions. The app will then ask you to complete a risk assessment questionnaire to determine your risk tolerance and investment preferences. This will help the app to create a personalized investment portfolio tailored to your needs and goals. The portfolio will be diversified across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to minimize risk and maximize returns. Once your portfolio is set up, you can track your progress and performance in the app. You can also make adjustments to your portfolio at any time, such as changing your risk level or allocating more funds to a particular asset class. The app also provides educational resources and investment insights to help you make informed decisions. One of the key benefits of the Betterment app is its low fees and no minimum balance requirements. The app also offers tax loss harvesting, which can help to minimize your tax liabilities and maximize your after-tax returns. Additionally, the app provides access to a team of financial experts who can provide guidance and support whenever you need it. In conclusion, the Betterment mobile app is a powerful tool for managing your investments and achieving your financial goals. By following these steps and taking advantage of the app's features and resources, you can create a personalized investment portfolio, track your progress, and make informed decisions to help you achieve financial success.